How to create email templates on MailChimp. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how you can create your own email template on MailChimp. Now before we start, what is MailChimp? MailChimp is a cloud-based marketing automation platform that allows businesses and individuals to design and send email campaigns, automated message, and targeted ads. MailChimp offers a range of features and tools, including customizable email templates, email scheduling, audience segmentation, A/B testing, and reports and analytics. It also provides integration with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, social media platforms, and other third-party tools to help businesses streamline their marketing efforts. Now, the first thing we're going to do is look over here on the left side. We have the options create, campaigns, audience, automation, analytics, websites, contents, integration, help, and the search bar. We're simply going to click on the create option over here, and then we will be redirected to this page. And once again, look over here on the left side, we have email, automations, websites, landing page, creative assistance, the different setup forms, surveys, ads, social posts, and postcard. These are the different things that you can create in MailChimp, but today we're going to focus on email. So we're simply going to click this. And over here, we have three options. We have a regular email, plain text email, or a template email. We're going to select this template option, and then we're going to click on get started. And then this will redirect us to this page over here where we can choose the different layouts that we can use. As you can see over here, the different featured layouts are to sell products, make an announcement, tell a story, follow up, and educate. We can also create basic templates over here such as one column full width, and the different styles. These layouts doesn't have anything inside, so you would have to create the contents by yourself. As you can see over here, some options over here requires you to upgrade your plan before you could use them, just like this options over here. And as you can see here on the top, what we're looking at right now is the layouts. We could also go on themes over here where we could see the different themes that we could use. We could also code our own if we are a programmer by simply pasting the code, importing HTML, and importing them. And of course, you would need to upgrade your plan to use this option. So we're going back to the layout, and we're simply going to choose any of this option. For now, I'm going to choose this option, make an announcement. And now we are redirected to this page over here where we will be able to edit our template. As you can see here on the right side, we have the different blocks that we can have, such as text, box text, divider, image, image group, image card, image plus text, share, social follow, button, footer, code, and video. And over here on the left side, we can see that this is our current template. We can add our logo over here, our announcement over here. We could add photos in the middle, could add the description, and we also have the button over here. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit our template, starting with the logo. I'm going to hover over this, and as you can see, we could drag to reorder the logo. We could make it go over here, just like that. The logo would be in the middle. We could drag it back, just like that. We could also use the creative assistance. We could edit the block. We could duplicate the block, and we can delete the block. When duplicating, you can simply click that, and then you can click on delete the block, just like that, if you want to change it. Now we're going to edit this block, just like this. And as you can see here on the right side, we can edit the content by simply replacing, linking, or adding an alternative text. We're going to click on replace, and then we're going to add our logo over here. We're simply going to click on insert. We can change the image display size over here by dragging this, just like that. And we can see it changing on our template. We're going to make it to this size. And we have a new option over here. We could edit this by clicking this. We would be able to edit our logo. We could also click on the styles where we can add the borders such as solid, just like that. As you can see, our logo has a border. We could click on none. We could add dash, dotted, double, ridge, inset, or outset. We can also make the corners rounded by doing this. This will only be noticeable if you have a border. And you could also apply this option that you are going to do here to all existing image blocks. Now, under settings, we could change the alignment of our logo. We could change it to left align, center, and right. We could also edit the margins to edge, just like that. And we could also have this retina image port, which constrain image dimension by 50% for high resolution display, just like that. Now after that, we're going to edit our announcement option over here. We're simply going to click on edit block. And as you can see over here on the right side, we can change the different message. We're going to change the message to here it comes. Here it comes. It finally arrived. Just like that. And we could select the specific part of our image, and then we can change the style to a heading, just like that. Can change the F to a bigger letter, just like that. We could change the specific font of this specific message to different fonts by clicking over here. We could also change the size over here. We could merge tags and the usual paragraph options that you would normally see. We could also click on the styles, and we could change the font over here also. We could change the size, we could change the color. We could change the line height over here. We could change the alignment to left align, centered, right align, and justified. And under the settings, we can change the number of columns. Now over here on the photo images over here, we can change the different image that we can see over here by clicking on replace, just like that. And just like what we did earlier, it will appear over here on our template. You can also add another image if you have more image that you want to add. And under styles, we could add borders and we could make it rounded. You could also change the layout of this page over here. Now you could also edit the button over here. You could change the text from find out more to check it out, just like that. You could link it to a different website. You could link it to an email address. You could anchor a link, or you could link it to a file. And after choosing an option, you could enter the URL over here. Under advanced options, you could add title attributes and CSS class. Now under the style, we can round the corners or make it less rounded, just like that. We could change the background to a different color. We could change the style, add spacing, change the font, change the size, and add padding. You can also change the alignment from center to left, center, and then right, just like that. You can also change the width to fit the text or full width, just like that. And after editing your template, you can simply click on save and close. And you could also add blocks by simply dragging it to our template over here. For example, select that. I added a divider. I could add a box text by dragging it over here, like that. And then we can edit this content over here. And you could use any of the blocks over here to add more things to your template. Now you could click over here on the top right. You could enter a preview mode, and you would be able to see what our current template looks like. You could also see it in the mobile version or what it would look like in the inbox over here. But to see this, you would need to upgrade your plan so that you would be able to see what it would look like. After that, you could also send a test email if make sure it's functioning well. And after doing all that, you can simply click on save and exit. And we would be able to name our template. I'm simply going to name it test template, just like that, and then click on save. And just like that, our template has been created. Now you could create more templates by clicking this option on the top right. And if you want to edit your template once again, you can simply click on this button over here, and then you would be able to edit this template. You could also create a campaign, preview, export as an HTML, share or replicate this template. By selecting the box over here after your specific template, you can also delete it or you can move it to another folder. For now, we're simply going to delete it. And we would need to confirm to delete our template, just like that. And by clicking delete, our templates would be gone over here. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a template in MailChimp. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.